Okay, in this video, what we're going to do is step through each price bar on the chart. So to help you understand how to identify what we call potential swing tops and confirmed swing tops, or potential swing bottoms and confirmed swing bottoms. Now, a potential swing top is simply a price bar that has the potential or possibility of becoming a confirmed swing top depending on what price bars do following. And we'll be covering confirmed shortly. And a potential swing bottom price bar is simply a price bar that has the potential to become a confirmed swing bottom depending on what happens later. And those are items 3 and 4 that you see here. I've written 4 questions that you'll want to ask yourself for each price bar in order to identify potential swing tops and potential swing bottoms and confirmed swing tops and confirmed swing bottoms. Now, the confirmed swing tops and the confirmed swing bottoms, those are the actual swings, the actual cycle pivots, the actual market turns that we're interested in finding, anticipating, finding, and using them as places for possible entry or to identify what trend we're in or where to possibly start moving our stops and so forth. There are many uses for knowing when to expect the market to make a swing top or a swing bottom. So let's go through the basics here on how to identify the potential swings and whether those potential swings actually become confirmed swings. So, looking at the most recent price bar, let's ask ourselves, starting with question number 1. Is the previous high, that would be the high of the previous bar, is it greater than the current high, which is the current price bar? We can see the previous high is not higher than the previous bar. So, the answer is, if the answer is no, as you see here, N, and I can make it say no. If N is not enough, no. Then that price bar is referred to as a potential swing or pivot top. Swing, pivot, same thing. Cycle, swing, cycle, pivot. This price bar has been identified as a potential swing top because the previous bar does not have a higher high. Now, we're going to move one price bar. Let's see. There we go. Now, as you can see, that the potential swing top, which was this price bar, it says, was it followed by a potential swing bottom? In this case, clearly no, because we've taken out the high. This bar cannot possibly become a swing top because it's not a top anymore. I hope that makes sense. The new price bar is higher. Okay, it is now the potential swing top. This one is no longer the potential swing top. It's off the board. So you can see that each bar could be a potential this or a potential that, with the exception of inside bars, which we'll come up to eventually. And the only way that it can remain a top and become a confirmed swing top if it's followed by a potential swing bottom. So that didn't happen. So here we ask the question again, is the previous high greater than the current high? Well, the answer is no. So now we have a new potential swing top. All right? So now you might say the marker has now moved from here to here. This is now the new potential swing top. Let's go to the next bar. Okay, and as you can see, the high of this bar is higher than this one, so this one is no longer a potential swing top. It is now out of consideration. We don't care. This price bar is now the new potential swing top. All right, so let's see what happens next. Okay, so we're still moving. So let me get this out of the way because we're running out of space here. This is a new high. So this one is no longer a potential swing top. This now is the new potential swing top. Next bar. All right, now notice that the previous high is higher than this price bar. As a matter of fact, the previous low is lower than this price bar. This price bar is within the range of this whole bar. Here's the high, here's the low. This bar is within the range of the previous. This is called an inside bar. An inside bar cannot be a potential swing top, cannot be a potential swing bottom, cannot even become a confirmed because you have to be a potential before you can become a confirmed. So basically, nothing changed here with the inside bar. So this bar is still our potential swing top. And we're going to keep on going. Now take a look. Is this price bar low lower than this price bar low? And if you look at what we got written here, is the previous low less than the current low? No, the previous low is here. It's not lower than the current low. So the answer is no. This is now a potential swing bottom. This bar is a potential swing bottom. Now here's the thing. If this is a potential swing bottom and this was the potential swing top, look at this. Is the potential swing top followed by a potential swing bottom? Yes. That means this potential swing top is now a confirmed swing top. We just identified our first confirmed swing. So let me put an arrow here. This is a confirmed swing top. Okay? That is a confirmed swing top. And you can clearly see it made a top and now it's moving down. That's a confirmed. That is an actual cycle or pivot swing top. It's confirmed. You mark it down or just learn to identify them with your eyeballs like I do and many others. But now we know that this is a swing top. This is an actual confirmed swing top. This is a potential swing bottom. Let's see if it confirms or it keeps going lower. Well, look at this. Now, this price bar here made a higher high and it made a lower low. We call this an outside bar. Just like this was an inside because it's inside the range of the previous bar, this is an outside bar because it's out of the range of the previous bar. It exceeded its high and it's exceeded on the downside its low. So in this case here, it answers two of the questions. Is the previous high higher? No, it's a potential swing top. Is the previous low lower? No, it's a potential swing bottom. An outside bar is unique in that it can be a potential swing top and a potential swing bottom at the same time. However, it can only confirm as one or the other depending on what happens later from the following price bars. Okay, one of these two answers, 3 or 4, will tell us what that outside bar will become. But right now, because this has a higher high than this and this has a lower low than this price bar is no longer a potential swing bottom because this one here now has taken the potential swing bottom from. You can only have one potential swing bottom. You can only have one potential swing top at any given time. And this price bar is both a potential swing top and a potential swing bottom. Now, let's see what it becomes. Next bar. Notice that we have a new lower low. So guess what? This price bar here no longer could be a potential swing bottom because its low has been exceeded. However, because it is also a potential swing top that has now been followed by a potential swing bottom. Notice right here, is the potential swing top followed by a potential swing bottom? Yes. Confirmed swing top. This outside bar is now considered a confirmed swing top. So we'll mark that as a confirmed swing top as well. Okay, now you may be wondering, how can you have two tops in a row without a bottom in between? Well, you actually do have a bottom in between, just not on this time frame. See, this is a daily time frame. Now, if I was to go to, well, let's see, the hourly, I'll show you. This one here was September 26th, and this top here was October 1st. So let's go to the hour. So we said what? The 26th, there's your top right there. And then over here was October 1st, right here. Well, there's your bottom right there. It came all the way down to here and then shot up all the way here before it came all the way down here. Okay, so that can happen. It's just going to be in a lower time frame when you have situations like that. Now let's make some more room here so we can see what we're doing. All right, so we have now identified two swing tops. All right, we've identified two swing tops. Let's see if we can get everything to fit so you can keep your notes there. Okay, this is now a potential swing bottom. Let's go to the next bar. Now, is the previous bar lower? Yes. So it can't be a potential swing bottom. And is the previous high higher? Okay, let's see. So in this case here, let's see, the high is 57, 72, 75. Okay, it's an inside bar. It has a lower high and a higher low, so nothing happens. It's an inside bar. Remember, nothing happens with an inside bar. There was the previous one. Now we have another one. They happen quite a few times. So we keep on going. This is still right here. This is our potential swing bottom still, because this one did not go lower. Right? All right, now look. We now have a price bar that the previous high is lower. Okay, the previous high did not go higher. In other words, is the previous high greater? No, we have a potential swing top. Well, what happens when you have a potential swing top following a potential swing bottom price bar? Well, let's see. Potential swing bottom followed by a potential swing top. We just confirmed that right there as a confirmed swing bottom. So we'll mark that. Confirmed swing bottom right there. Okay. Now, potential swing top. Okay, we just made a higher high than this one, so this is no longer a potential swing top. We've also made a lower low than this one, so this is not only a potential swing top, it's also a potential swing bottom. Remember why? It's an outside bar. It's just like this bar right here. So let's see what it ends up becoming. Okay, Did we go higher than the previous? It doesn't look like it. Let's see, the high here was 58.08. This one is 58.06. Okay, so we did not go higher than the potential swing top, so it's still a potential swing top, but we did go lower. So what happens when you have a potential swing top followed by a potential swing bottom? Let's see. Potential swing top followed by a potential swing bottom. Yes, that means it's a confirmed swing top. So we mark that as a potential swing top. So you can see with top, bottom, top, and now we have potential swing bottom right here. Okay, let's go to the next bar. All right, now our potential swing bottom is now followed by a potential swing top. Potential swing bottom followed by a potential swing top confirms our swing bottom. Okay, so I'm going to kind of fly through this now because you can always refer to this note here, all right, to know what I'm doing. So I have a potential swing top. Inside bar, nothing changes. I have a new potential swing top, so this is no longer. This is a new potential swing top. A new potential swing top. All right, did we go higher? Let's see. The high here is 59.1850. This one's 59.15. So I did not go higher, so it's still a potential swing top. Did I go lower though? The low here is 58.50. This one is 58.50. Because this low did not go lower or is not lower than this low, this price bar now becomes a potential swing bottom. Look at right here. Is the previous low less than the current low? No, it's not. It's equal. It's not less. We have a potential swing bottom. So this price bar is a potential swing bottom. What happens when a potential swing top is followed by a potential swing bottom? It gets confirmed. That is now a pivot top. All right. Now we got a potential swing bottom right there. Inside bar, nothing changes. Now we have a new potential swing top. It's got a higher high than the previous high, or worded this way, the previous low, the previous high is not higher. All right. That's a potential swing top following a potential swing bottom right here. Potential swing bottom followed by a potential swing top. That's a confirmed swing bottom right there. All right, now we have a potential swing top. Inside bar, no change. All right, now this price bar has made a lower low. It's a potential swing bottom following a potential swing top, confirms it as a swing top right there. Notice top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top. That's a usual cycle. Top, bottom, top, bottom. Notice we're identifying the bars correctly using this method, answering these questions. In cases where you have two swing tops following each other, you know that at the lower time frame, like the hourly chart, you can actually zero in and see where the actual low occurred, which we know it happened on this day right here. Again, I'm going to go back to that so you can see, and that was, see, where did we put that little puppy? Right there. Okay, it happened on this day right here. There's the lowest point between the two tops. It's nice that the arrows are still here so we can see this. Happened on September 30. Let me go back to the daily again. Okay. And that is, get back here. I apologize for moving things around, but these things don't stay where you want. Right there is the September 30 price bar. So you could say to yourself, the low happened here, even though on the daily chart, this is clearly not a swing bottom, but on an hourly chart, it was a swing bottom on the hourly time frame. And that's how we're able to have two swing tops consecutively showing on the daily chart. I hope that makes sense, folks. Okay, we do have lower time frames where these cycle turns can occur, but our turn dates do not count those. We have daily turn dates and weekly turn dates. We don't have hourly turn dates. So just keep that in mind. We're identifying daily in this case. Potential swing bottom. We have a new potential swing bottom. We have a new potential swing bottom. We just keep going. Inside bar, no change. Okay, we now have a new potential swing top following a potential swing bottom. That confirms that as a swing bottom. And we can keep going on and on and on, but I think you now understand how to identify swing tops and swing bottoms. So when I refer to swing tops, swing bottoms, or pivot bottoms, or cycle tops, cycle bottoms, that is exactly what I'm referring to. I'm referring to the confirmed swing tops and the confirmed swing bottoms, which are identified here by these arrows. Okay, so now we can move on to the next lesson.